Well, g'day guys, welcome back to Tripping It Oz. Today we are going to visit the Moore River Estuary, which is known as Guilderton. G'day legends, and welcome back to another episode. Today I will give you a rundown and a look at Guilderton and the Moore River Estuary. Guilderton is approximately 100 kilometres north of Perth, just off the Indian Ocean Drive. Guilderton was originally named Gabadar, an Aboriginal term for mouthful of water. Guilderton wasn't gazetted as a town until 1951 and has a permanent residency of roughly 160 people, but it is always buzzing with hundreds of tourists, especially in the warmer season. Guilderton has many holiday homes and units for rent. There is also a great caravan park for the travellers. There is a lot of activities to do, including swimming, kayaking, canoeing, stand-up paddleboarding, aqua biking, powered dinghies, and a barbecue boat pontoon to hire. There is also great fishing from the beach area. There is a very well kept golf course. There is a cafe and restaurant, sports bar for a good night out, and a fuel station if needed. You can check out the lighthouse on the northern side of town, or you can just take a relaxing stroll up and down the beautiful white beaches and watch another one of Western Australia's beautiful sunsets. The lighthouse in Guilderton was built in 1983 and is the only major navigation light between Fremantle and Jurien Bay. It was also the last one to be built in Western Australia. The tower was constructed 32 metres high and has a base of about 7.5 metres in diameter. The light sits at 76.75 metres above sea level, and the light projects out to about 22 nautical miles. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode. I really appreciate it. And I would like to take this opportunity to mention to you that I appreciate the likes on Facebook and Instagram. But I would like to ask if you could all like and comment on YouTube, as this is where it helps with the algorithm. Get my videos out there. And also, if you could, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to share with your friends and family on YouTube. Anyway, thanks again, take care and stay safe on your journeys.